TL Fabrications, we do anything in steel. We're CE certified to do structural steelwork, ornate, hand railing and balustrades. We do one-offs, stainless, aluminium, we do sheet metal work. So anything in metal basically we will do. So that is why we chose Baileigh as well, because the variety of machinery that they've got complements our work and has actually increased our orders through different aspects of fabrication. Around 2008, we got a contract with the local authority to do a load of hand railing, and at the time all we had was a hand pump tube bender. And just by coincidence, I went that evening and on the TV they was using a tube bender, and on the tube bender you had the Baileigh logo, so we decided to Google Baileigh. We went down to Coventry and had a look at the machines that were available. From that day on, we decided that we was going to stick with the Baileigh brand, and we bought several machines, and it's really complemented the business and brought us more work as well. The reason we came back to Baileigh was after that initial meeting with Chad, we actually grew a friendship. Nothing was too much trouble. We could ring them and they would answer questions, tell us specs that we wanted on the machine, and came back with good prices, and we decided to carry on sticking with Baileigh. At the end of the day, it was down to affordability and quality of the machines. The machinery that they offer, price range that we are looking to buy the machines, got a good quality, good service, and the machines did what they said they was going to do. I've probably got 10, 15 machines from Baileigh. Some machines are always being used, like the saw. So each machine has its own application. The saw we bought 2008, still going strong. We was one of the first to have the plasma, not had an issue with it. Each machine that we have here, we find that depending on what we want to do, I always look at what machines we've got from Baileigh, and each one does complement the work that we do. So when I'm quoting a job, I'll actually look and think, so we've got that machine. Because we've got a lot of Baileigh machines, we find our fabrication is a lot easier to do.